Hey there, struggling with adding a card to your Apple Pay or Apple Wallet? You're not alone. Today we're diving into the common issues and solutions on how to fix can't add card to Apple Pay, Apple Wallet. Whether you're facing error messages or simply can't find the option to add your card, we've got a step-by-step guide that's sure to help you get back on track with your digital payments. Step 1. Check your device compatibility. Before you get started, it's crucial to ensure your device supports Apple Pay. Not all devices are compatible, so make sure you're using an iPhone, iPad, or Apple Watch that supports Apple Pay. Verify that your device has the latest version of iOS, iPadOS, or watchOS. Simply go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any updates that are available. Compatibility can often be an overlooked issue, but it's a simple first check to resolve the problem. Step 2. Ensure your card is supported. Not all cards are eligible for Apple Pay. Confirm with your bank or card issuer to ensure they support Apple Pay and your card type is eligible. Most major credit and debit cards from top banks are accepted, but it's always worth checking. You can also navigate to Apple's support page to see an updated list of participating banks and cards in your region. Step 3. Update your Apple ID setting. Your Apple ID settings can occasionally cause issues with adding a card. Go to Settings on your device and tap your name at the top to access your Apple ID info. From there, ensure your Apple ID region matches the region of your card issuer. Any discrepancies between your Apple ID settings and your card's origin can lead to problems. Also, double check that two-factor authentication is enabled for increased security. Step 4. Verify your internet connection. A strong internet connection is essential when adding a card to Apple Pay. Ensure your device is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network or cellular data. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the card addition process. If you encounter network issues, try restarting your router or switch to a different. Step 5. Clear any current Apple Pay configurations. Sometimes previous settings or configurations in Apple Pay might interfere with adding a new card. Go to Settings, Wallet and Apple Pay, and remove any old or inactive cards. Once cleared, restart your device to refresh the system before attempting to add your card again. A fresh setup can often resolve hidden configuration issues. Step 6. Contact your card issuer. If you're still experiencing trouble, the problem might be on the bank's end. Contact your card issuer for support. They can provide insight into whether there's an issue with your account or specific card settings. Sometimes they may need to perform additional verification steps before your card can be added to Apple Pay. Step 7. Explore Apple's support options. When all else fails, reaching out to Apple support can help you solve persistent issues. They can offer personalized assistance and troubleshoot connected problems that might not be apparent. Visit Apple's official website or use the Apple Support app on your device to initiate a chat or call their customer service. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue of not being able to add a card to Apple Pay or Apple Wallet. From ensuring device compatibility to contacting your card issuer, each step is essential in resolving the problem. Remember, technology should make your life easier, not harder. With this guide, you're well on your way to seamless digital transaction. Now, go ahead and enjoy the convenience of Apple Pay without any hassles.